Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the music in your video on the Vidnoz AI. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the Vidnoz AI website, and after going to the website, we have to choose the AI character, that which AI character you want to use. For example, I have used this one. So now we are here in the editing mode. After choosing this, what we need to do simply we have to go to this option which is called music. So let's click on the music. And after clicking on this, as you can see in the music section, you will be able to see the different types of music. Now you have to choose that which one you want to use. We can see the previews. For example, I'm going to use this one. So simply we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, here's the I'm going to stop this. As you can see, here's the option for the add to all scenes, add to this video only, this scene only. So you have to choose that which option you want. For example, I want to add to all scenes. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see now now this music is added into our all scenes. If you want to add this only for the particular scene, you can also do that. You have to click on this and you have to click on the remove from the scene only. So as you can see, and it will be done. So in this way, you can add the music in your video on the Vidnoz AI website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.